Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change flashlight and camera on lock screen in iPhone iOS 18. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important stuff. You need to follow these steps. First, long press on your lock screen. Press and hold on any empty space on your lock screen. Then customize lock screen. Tap on customize. Then select your lock screen. Choose the lock screen you want to edit. Then remove default shortcuts. Tap on the icon next to the flashlight and camera shortcut to remove them. Fifth, add new shortcuts. Tap on the plus icon to add new shortcuts. You can choose from a wide range of options including apps, actions, control center toggles, accessibility shortcuts, custom shortcuts. Sixth, customize shortcut appearance. Tap on the shortcut to customize its appearance and name. 7. Save changes. Tap done in the top right corner. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.